All right, Miss Amigos, how you doing today? So we are here in Progreso at the marina, and we're about to check out some boat rentals for our going away party. So be sure to come back and check that out. So today we are gonna have a look at a few boats and see which ones are in our budget. Maybe this one right here, maybe that'll be it. But who knows, maybe that one. There's some nice boats here, that's for sure. Well, we're just waiting for the captain, and then we'll go have a look and see what's available.
Oh, but it's a nice one.
Oh, it's the bigger one, the one that we were looking at on... Yeah, this is the one that we were looking at online.
I know, right? Thank God I have one. Beautiful. I think there's seats, aren't they? I would let him do that there.
There's a few up here.
Yeah, so... seating here,
Oh,
captain sits here. I don't know if this is... I think there's probably looks like chairs go here
I
probably.
would think so.
Hay sillas para aquí.
Sí, dos sillas.
Dos.
Only
two.
two.
Two here, two here, and then
And the captain's here. So,
and then you put 4 or 5 here pretty comfortably.
yeah.
I would say pretty easy.
Considering this one too, because this way we can include Greg and Alex.
Oh, I don't know.
Ah.
12 people in this boat.
Oh. Is
No.
it, what's this boat?
I don't know.
What's it? How many is it?
15.
We'll let him come out of there.
15? Or something?
Máximo dos. Sí.
Well, that's what I
And that's what niño you.
Yeah, and lots of room down here.
thought. Yeah, I won't be going down at all, just simply because I would get seasick really fast. Well, I don't take a
Well, when you're out in the ocean, there's gonna have this port will be open, and you're gonna be getting a breeze, right?
yeah.
Like these will all open up. There's windows here. Sitting here in the dock, yeah, it's hot because we're not moving, right? But
Well, this is a little bigger than I expected.
yeah. So bathroom,
You can see how many.
bathroom, sink,
Yeah, but I just want to see.
shower if you want.
5,
Yeah, and you got windows there. The
and then there's 2 seats back there.
latch is broken or whatever.
I'm not sure how where those seats are.
Got floaties, got chairs down here.
So you're gonna get what, maximum of 3 people on this seat? I would say.
4 or 5 there.
Yeah, I wouldn't put more than 2 people right where you're
You're
sitting.
gonna get, well, you get 3 here, no problem. Like I could sit on.
For
on
traveling,
here.
I guess.
Absolutely. So you probably get 3
So,
here. You
el
can get,
velero es más chico que este.
Depende de los pies. No sé qué tamaño sea.
that's
Sí, para que
a
pegue.
Can you help her?
That's a really far reach.
What's that, babe?
Sí, pega muy.
I mean, I got long legs, but not that long.
Okay, we might have another one we can go look at.
Yes.
I'm good.
Okay.
Good for what? That's the question.
Yeah, not much anymore.
Oh, look at that boat over there, Bill. Wow. Wow. Yeah, there's some nice boats in here, boy. Holy. Now here's one, Darling. Can't afford that one, though.
That's an inboard.
Unless Riley's paying. Wow. Well, these ones must be both rentals, too. They both got Kawaka. Two Kawaka. Check that out.
300s.
Yeah. Wow.
That baby gets up and goes.
Holy.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Tiger,
7,
too.
8, 9, 10. 10 fishing poles there.
Oh, here we go. Oh, this is the sailboat one. That's quite a bit cheaper. Nice sailboat, though. Fancy. Lots of seating room.
Eat in there, probably.
So,
They only have a small motor on there. Just to get it out of the house. And they use the sails when they're out in the open water.
Podemos, hoy
yeah, watch the dog.
Creo que ha cerrado y llave.
sí, pero
Ya no pego.
Careful, babe. Yeah, this one's quite a bit cheaper. Okay, no key for the inside to look at the berth, guys. Sorry. But as you can see, it's a pretty nice sailboat. You can't fish from it. That's the only thing. They don't want you fishing from it, which I get that. There's no room. So the first one that we looked at, we can fish from. This one's 10 people. The other one's 12 people. This one's 10,000 pesos for 6 hours. The first one we looked at is 15,000 pesos for 6 hours. Okay, he's got one more we can go look at. He said it's a little bit simpler, but I don't know. They had other ones on their website that were pretty nice. But we're not getting to see those from the sounds of it. Okay, we're gonna look at one more.
We got poles up there.
Yeah.
Well, you don't quite have that kind of pole. Ooh.
Yeah, this is pretty nice.
dinero.
Well, look at it anyway.
Así que con la que estoy que-
Not that much difference, really.
How many people does it? This one? 12 for this one.
So this one's 18,500 pesos. And then it does have a berth. Let's go have a look, guys. Oh, it's locked. Okay, you can't go down below. You got it all locked up. And probably no key either. Okay. This one's pretty nice. Got a disco light up there, guys. Oh, it's got nice seating. Drink holders. Only a difference of 3,000 pesos. Really not that much difference compared to the other one. Oh yeah, looks like this all opens up too. Yeah, it does. So the hatch opens up right there as well. Oh, there's the captain's chair. Got it all covered up. Oh, she's hot in there. So lots of seating in this one. Got a deck to swim off of, climb in and out. 3,000 pesos is, what'd you say?
I said that would end up being 1,542 pesos each.
That's 10 or 12 people?
12.
12. Yeah, this one's pretty nice. All right, guys. Thanks so much for being here with us today. We truly appreciate it. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. Give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a great deal with the YouTube algorithm. God bless everybody out there. Hasta luego.